Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Indian Chieftain Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Indian Chieftain Limited with 18,049 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, navigation, and electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with the Lloyd's Motorworks Stage 1 intake, aftermarket mufflers, and leather engine heat shields. We have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 111 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Chieftain puts 76 horsepower and 119 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5 gallon fuel capacity, the Chieftain has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 25.6 inch seat height and an 822 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output of 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the front fender and scratches on the left saddlebag. This bike has 2 keys and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days and 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.